Running a business means getting paid, and that means invoicing. If you're using Qonto for your business account, a really common question comes up. Does Qonto actually support invoicing, or do you need a separate tool? Let's find out. The short answer is yes, absolutely. Qonto has built a full-featured invoicing tool right into their business account platform. This is a game changer because it eliminates the need to juggle your banking, quotes, and invoices across different apps. Everything is centralized, which saves a ton of administrative time. So, what can you actually do with it? First, you can create professional, compliant invoices and quotes in just a few minutes. You can customize them, add your logo, and ensure all the necessary legal mentions are included, making your business look professional from the start. Second, the system is designed to help you get paid faster. You can send these documents directly to your clients from the Qonto platform. Crucially, it provides a dedicated section for tracking your revenue and payments. You can see at a glance which invoices are outstanding, which are overdue, and their exact due dates. And here's one of the best features for anyone who dreads chasing clients. Qonto lets you send automatic payment reminders for overdue invoices with just a few clicks. No more awkward manual follow-ups. The platform handles the gentle nudge for you. For sales workflow, you can create a quote, and once it's approved by your client, you can convert that quote directly into a full invoice with a single click. It's seamless and cuts down on manual data entry and potential errors. They also offer features like managing your supplier invoices, those you need to pay, as well as preparing for future electronic invoicing standards, depending on your region. Even if you prefer to use your existing accounting software, Qonto makes life easier by providing robust integrations. You can easily export your transactions, receipts, and invoices to popular accounting apps like Sage, Xero, or QuickBooks, ensuring your bookkeeper has everything they need for a smooth month-end close. The whole goal of Qonto's integrated invoicing is to streamline your financial management. By having your cash flow, payments, and invoicing all in one place, you gain better visibility and spend less time on admin, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. So, to wrap up, Qonto is much more than just a business bank account. The built-in invoicing functionality is comprehensive, covering everything from quote creation to payment tracking and automated reminders. It's designed to simplify your workflow, save you time, and most importantly, help you get paid reliably. If you're looking for an all-in-one financial solution for your company or as a freelancer, Qonto's invoicing tool is a powerful feature to consider. Thanks for watching.